Hello kids! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I draw a very easy drawing for you. What will tell me what should I going to draw today? Yes, I draw a lipstick for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. This drawing is specially for girls. I like lipstick so much. They look so beautiful when they apply lipstick on their lips. Lipstick is in different shades. Some are red, some are pink, some are orange, some are purple. I have all these shades. What shade of lipstick do you have? I like the pink shade of lipstick. Do you like this? Also draw the ribbon at the mid of the lipstick. It makes the lipstick so beautiful. See, my drawing looks so beautiful. This is very beautiful lipstick. Do you like this drawing? Don't forget to outline the drawing. Use the deeper marker in the outline. Always use the black marker. It makes the drawing so beautiful and awesome. See, outline makes the drawing perfect. Do you like outline? Tell me what is missing in the drawing. Yes, it's coloring. So let's coloring with me. Let's start it. Use the red color in the body of the lipstick. I like red color so much. So I use this in the drawing. Do you like red color? Wow, that's awesome. Red color looks so beautiful and amazing. You can also use different colors in the drawing. Use the color in a very smooth way. Use the yellow color in the upper part of the lipstick. I like yellow color so much. Do you like yellow color? Red and yellow color looks so beautiful and awesome. Yellow color remind me the mangoes. So yummy and tasty. Do you like mango? The color of mango is also yellow. Don't forget to color in the ribbon. Use the pink color in the ribbon. Ribbon looks so beautiful and amazing. My drawing is almost ready. I like this drawing so much. Do you like this drawing? Goodbye, see you soon again.